Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is repeat steps 1 through 3 so that I can create a second question. So now we need to add a couple more slides to our project. So we'll start by adding the question slide. And this time I'll go ahead and add a true or false question, which essentially takes the same exact steps as it would take to add a multiple choice question, only instead of having 4 answers, you're going to have 2. Okay, now we're going to add 2 more slides, which will be our correct and incorrect pages. Okay, and now what we need to do is link all of the buttons to the slides that we've created. So we'll go ahead and start with the first slide, so we'll scroll up. Okay, and in order to link the slide, you click on the button, and then you right click, and you come to this hyperlink option. Okay. And then we come over to this option right here where it says link to, and we go place in this document. Okay. And so since the Indianapolis, we're going to link this to slide 3, which was the incorrect slide, and hit OK. And Albany is the correct answer, so we'll hyperlink to slide 2, the correct slide, and hit OK. And then we'll also hyperlink these ones to the incorrect slide. Okay, and then we'll move on to the correct page. Now we must hyperlink this one to question 2. So we'll find question 2. Okay. And now we'll go to the incorrect page, and we'll link this one back to question 1. Okay, and we'll just keep going until we have all of the buttons linked together. And be sure that when you're linking the second question that you're linking it to the correct and incorrect pages that were created specifically for that question. Okay, and then for this page, since we don't have a question 3 created, we won't mess with it, but you'll know that if you have a question 3 created, how to hyperlink it to that next page. Okay, and now the last thing that we want to do is to remove the mouse click option. And when you do this, it'll and the only way that they can move on to the next question is by clicking the buttons that you've linked. That way they can't click anywhere on the screen to move on. So in order to do this, we come over to Animations, and we hit on mouse click, and make sure that there's not a check mark there. And you're going to have to do that for each of the slides.